Hello, and welcome to your 5th vocabulary lesson in the series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook, and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Aware, normal, likely, wild. If you are aware of something, you know about it. Aware. If something is normal, it is not strange or surprising. Normal. If something is likely, there is a good chance it will happen. Likely. If something is wild, it is found in nature. Wild. The phone rang so loud that I was of it in the other room. Aware. I could hear it. I was aware of it. In the animals like bears and lions are dangerous. In the wild. Dark clouds like that mean it is to rain later. It's likely to rain later because it looks like rain. We need some cardboard boxes to pack up the house. We need some normal cardboard boxes. Here are your next 4 words. Badly, rare, judgment, visible. Badly means in a severe or very bad way. Badly. If something is rare, you do not see it very often. Rare. Judgment is the ability to form opinions or decisions. Judgment. If something is visible, it can be seen. Visible. The fighter had broken his leg in the fight. It was terrible. The fighter had broken his leg badly in the fight. At night, we went away from the city lights and saw the stars. The visible stars. What is that? It's a white giraffe. There are very few of them. It's a rare white giraffe. The against the criminal was harsh and long. The judgment against the criminal. Here are your next 4 words. Belong, relax, hurt, since. If something belongs to you, you own it. Belong. To relax is to rest. Relax. To hurt is to do something that makes you feel pain. Hurt. Since is used to talk about a past event still happening now. Since. He has loved sports cars he was a little kid. Since. Yeah, a long time. The young boy slipped and his knee. He hurt his knee. Ouch. Everyone wants to a nice group of friends that care about you. Everyone wants to belong. Yeah, that feels good. If I ever get rich from teaching English, I want to on the beach. I really do. I want to relax on the beach. Here are your next 4 words. Continue, request, field, roll. To continue something is to keep doing it. Continue. To request something is to ask for it. Request. The field is a big area of land. Field. To roll is to move by turning over and over. Roll. With a of the dice, the man tried to change his luck. With a roll of the dice. Yeah. I hope he wins. The farmers are growing wheat in the over there. They're growing wheat in the field. If you want to win the race, you can't give up and need to the end. You really need to continue to the end. The children pizza for dinner tonight, and Mom brought it home. The children requested, past tense. Here are your 4 new words. Error, reside, experience, result. An error is something you do wrong. Error. To reside means to live somewhere for a long time. Reside. An experience is something you have seen or done. Experience. A result is something that happens because of something else. Result. He built the house when he was 40 and has in it ever since. Oh, that should be built. Oops. He has resided in it ever since. The man forgot his wallet and, as a had no money for lunch. Aw. As a result. That's a good phrase. As a result. Math is hard, and sometimes I make when I add. I don't like math. Sometimes I make errors when I add. After a week of training, she had enough to try climbing the wall. She had enough experience. I think she did well. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. Number 1, roll is D, to move by turning. Number 2, error, something you do wrong. Number 3, hurt, to do something that causes pain. Reside, to live in a place for a long time. And 5, relax, is to rest. Choose the best answer. Draw these lines in here. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. In a severe or harmful way, badly. The ability to form opinions or decisions, judgment. To fit or be in the right place, belong. Not strange or different. Normal. To do something that makes you feel pain. Hurt. My day at school was not strange. It was normal. The bird was from nature. The bird was wild. She's going to rest instead of going to that movie. She's going to relax. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.